So in this video we will see how we can use Pascal's triangle to expand. For example, if I have 3x plus 2y raised to the power 5, how we can expand this? So a complex or hard way can be we can multiply 3x plus 2y 5 times. So if I multiply 5 times, I will get the corresponding terms. But this is very cumbersome. We can use Pascal triangle to expand the same. So let us first understand what is Pascal triangle. So this triangle that is shown here, this is called Pascal's triangle. Formation of this triangle we will discuss in separate video. So these are basically, here I have 1, then 1, 1. So at each end you have 1, 1, 1, and this side also you have 1, 1, 1. And then each next number is sum of the previous two numbers. For example, these two numbers, if you sum, then you get this number. Similarly, if you sum these two numbers, you get this number, and you sum these two numbers, you get this number. Similarly, if you sum these two numbers, you get this number, and you sum this number, you get this number. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Again, 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. So basically in this way, you can construct a Pascal triangle. Now let us see if I have a plus b raised to the power 0. So what will be this value? So simply 1. So this coefficient, this 1 denotes the coefficient. This will be more clear. If I have a plus b raised to the power 1, then I will have, so what will be this? So simply this is a plus b. This means coefficient of a is 1 and coefficient of b is 1. So this is coefficient of a and this is coefficient of b. Now let us see a plus b whole square raised to the power 2. So now you know this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see this 1 and this 2 and here we have 1. So this is the coefficient, 1 is the coefficient, this 1 is here. 2 is the coefficient, 2 is here. And 1 is the coefficient, 1 is here. Now let us see a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is coefficient 1, this is coefficient 1. So let us try to see. This coefficient 1 is here. This coefficient 3 is here. This coefficient 3 is here. And this coefficient 1 is here. And you can also see the power of a is decreasing. Here I have 3. So initial power of a is 3, then 2, then 1, and then 0. But the power of b is increasing. Here I have b raised to the power 0, b raised to the power 1, b raised to the power 2, b raised to the power 3. So remember, the coefficient can be given by the Pascal's triangle and the powers are, powers of a is decreasing and power of b is increasing in this case. So this means now I can use Pascal's triangle to find similar expression. For example, this will be a raised to the power a plus b raised to the power 4, and this will be a plus b raised to the power 5. So what is our question? Our question is 3x plus 2y raised to the power 5. So we will have 3x plus 2y raised to the power 5. Basically in this case a is 3x and b is 2y. So we have a is 3x and b is 2y. Now let us try to expand this. So now initially it will start, coefficient is 1. So initial coefficient will be 1, and this times we will have 3x, which is a raised to the power 5 and b raised to the power 0. So that is 2y raised to the power 0 is 1. Next coefficient we will have 5, and then we will have 3x and power will be 1 less, that is 4, and 2y power will be 1. Next coefficient we have 10, so 10 is here. So we will have 10 and this is 3x raised to the power 3 and 2 by e raised to the power 2 plus, so we have this 10, we again have a 10 and 3x raised to the power 2, we are decreasing by 1 power. So initially I have 3, I have decreased by 1, so this becomes 2. And we will increase the power of by. Now this is, here I have a coefficient of 5, so 5, 3x raised to the power 1 and 2 by e raised to the power 4, and finally I have a coefficient of 1, and then this will be 3x raised to the power 0 and 2 by e raised to the power 5. So now I have to simply expand this term to get the corresponding expression. So this will be 3x raised to the power 5, this is 3 raised to the power 5, that is 243 into x raised to the power 5, plus 5 times 3 raised to the power 5 is 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, and 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, and then we will have x4 by, plus 10 times 3 raised to the power 3, that is 27, and 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, and then we will have x cube by a square. So we are using this term. So this is here, this is here. So now next term is this one. So we will have, next term we will have plus 10 multiplied by 9, and this is 8 x square by q, and this is 5 times 3, and 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, and x by 4, and then this will be 2 raised to the power 5, that is basically 32 by raised to the power 5. So this term is here. So this term, the last term. So this term is same as this term. So now if I simplify further, we can get the corresponding expression. So that is 243 x raised to the power 5, and this will be 810 because 5 2s are 10, and then 81, so 810 x4 by, plus this will be 1080, so this will be 1080, 1080 you can say, x cube by a square, and this will be 720, so 720 x square by q, and this is plus 240 by 4, and this will be 32 by 5. So this is the expansion of this term, that is 3x plus 2 by e raised to the power 5. So you can use Pascal's triangle to expand this kind of expression very easily. Only thing is you need to know how you can construct the Pascal's triangle. You can calculate raised to power 5 6, raised to power 7, raised to power 8. Similarly, you can calculate other complex expressions. You can also use binomial theorem to solve such kind of problem. We will discuss that in some other video. For this video, we have covered how you can use Pascal's triangle to expand such expressions. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.